Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class, Sundargarh. I am Suchita Panikai from BS Government High School, Sundargarh. So, students, you must have seen so many traffic symbols, traffic lights, traffic police on the road. You also obey these traffic rules and traffic police rules on the road. But why these traffic rules are there? Have you thought about this? These are for road safety. So students, we shall read today a very important topic, Road Safety Week. Let's come to the smart word. What you have seen in this video, all these are traffic rules. So today we shall read about Road Safety Week. And before go to the lesson, we must watch a very dangerous incident taken place in Odisha. An accident taken place in Odisha in 2018. Watch these pictures. What are you looking here? These are pictures of severe road accidents. And let's watch about that incident what taken place in 2018 in Odisha near Cuttack. In a tragic incident, 12 people were killed and 49 injured after a bus fell into the Mahanadi riverbed from a bridge near Jagatpur on the outskirts of Cuttack. So, 12 people were injured and 12 people were killed and 49 were injured after a bus fell into the Mahanadi river bridge. It was near Jagatpur on the outskirts of Cuttack city on 20th November 2018. The accident occurred after the private bus on its way to Cuttack from Talcher hit a buffalo on the bridge and hit a buffalo. Look at here, hit a buffalo. This is a picture of buffalo that crashed into the railing and it fell 30 feet down into the dry riverbed. The driver turned the bus aside to save the animal. Thus, the accident happened. The animal also died. In the accident, all the injured passengers were rescued and taken to Cuttack Medical College Hospital for treatment. The government of Odisha announced financial assistance of 2 lakhs rupees each to the kin of the victims along with free treatment to the injured passengers and ordered an official inquiry into the incident. So, what you learn here? That 12 people were killed and 49 injured and it taken place in 20 November 2018. Let's discuss some questions related to this incident. What is this passage about? This passage is about a tragic accident that took place on the outskirts of the Cuttack city. What happened after the accident occurred? After the accident occurred, all the injured were rescued and taken to Cuttack Medical College Hospital for treatment. 12 people were killed and 49 were injured in the accident. Why did the accident happen? Can you think of some other causes of the accident? The accident happened when the bus hit a buffalo on the bridge and crashed into the railing. So, in this picture, you look here, this is the bridge where the bus fell 30 feet down and how dangerous you can see from this picture. Suggest some ways to avoid such dreadful accident. To avoid such dreadful accident, the driver should be careful. What should be done? The driver must be careful. So, and should not drink while driving. A drunken driver never drive a vehicle very in good way or any good condition. The vehicle should not cross its speed limit. The vehicle should be properly maintained and the rules of the road should be obeyed. So you must obey road traffic rules and all the necessary guidance what traffic rules provide us. How devastating the accidents were, and how should people be protected from this kind of accident. So this lesson is all about this. So let's start our lesson. So come to the first paragraph of our lesson. Many people think that road safety is non-essential, but it is always very necessary. Road safety is of paramount importance as it greatly affects people's lives. So many people think that road safety is non-essential. Non-essential means अनावश्यक. तांको लागे जेमती यह अनावश्यक अटे रोड सेफ्टी टा, but it is always very necessary. This is very necessary. Road safety is of paramount importance. What is paramount importance? Means urgency. तार गुरुत्व बहुत अधिक. Safety आमर दरकार. Safety माने होची निरापत्ता. So as it greatly affects people's lives, whether they know it or not, they know the traffic rules or not, but life is very valuable. So road safety is very important also, very necessary also. We must have to obey all the traffic rules and road safety rules. It is the safety of people from roadside injuries and death. It can save people from roadside injuries. Roadside injuries. What is injuries? Injuries mane hochi ahata. It affects people's life, and it can by road safety we can protect from death. So it is the safety of people from roadside injuries and death. Death mane mrityu. Next, it involves various methods and measures. Various methods and measures. What are it involves? Involves mane yaha jodita kare. Involves yaha jodita kare various methods and measures. Methods माने पद्धति एवं measures माने है ना हमारा कार्य प्रणाली जहाँ आमको निश्चित भावरे ताहा follow करिबा को पड़िबो. Be followed by the road users. Who should use it? All the road users have to follow all these traffic measures and methods. People such as pedestrians. What are pedestrians? Those who walk on the road. Pedestrians. These are pedestrians. Motorist. Motorist means that person who ride a motorbike or anything, motorbike or a scooty, other things. And cyclists, those who ride cycles. Look here, some girls are riding cycles. And passengers, those who ride on bus. And this type of all kinds of people have to obey traffic rules and road safety rules to run the risk of injury or death on the road. They all have the danger on the road. So they must be protected from all this kind of danger. Next, everyone needs to be well aware of the road traffic rules. Must be aware about the road traffic rules to avoid such risk. Risk mane vipad. Risk mane hochi vipad. And according to the World Health Organization. Now we have to know about what is World Health Organization. This is an organization also known as WHO, and this is a part of United Nations organization who works in the field of health and other health issues. What? It works on every kind of world measures, health issues and health organizations program and organize all this and take activities regarding this. So most of the hospitalization cases and leading causes of death are due to lack of awareness. It is the view of WHO, World Health Organization, that why these hospitalization cases take place? Because of lack of awareness. Lack of awareness. Why these hospitalization cases happen? Because the lack of awareness. Lack of awareness mane kona? Awareness means sachetanata. Lack mane abhav. Lack mane तांकर सचेतनतार अभाव अछि अवेयरनेस देयर इज लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस दैट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन केसेस मोस्ट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन केसेस रिलेटेड टू एक्सीडेंट इज ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस माने लोक जानि नाहंती रोड सेफ्टी विषय ट्रैफिक रूल्स विषय जदि से जानते निजर जीवन एवं अन्य मान जीवन मध्य बंचाई पारंते So this is a logo of World Health Organization. So what we read in paragraph 1. Let's check it. Road safety is very essential in day-to-day life. Number 2. It is the safety of people from roadside injuries and death. Various measures of traffic rules must be followed by road users such as pedestrians, motorists, cyclists and passengers. Next, everyone need to be aware of the traffic rules. Next, according to WHO, road accidents are due to lack of awareness. Okay, come to paragraph number 2. Road Safety Week is one of the awareness program for road safety. This is awareness, you already know. Awareness mane sachetanata. So Road Safety Week, the chapter name we are reading about Road Safety Week. So Road Safety is one of the awareness. Road Safety Week. सड़क सुरक्षा सप्ताह. सड़क सुरक्षा सप्ताह. It is an awareness program for road safety. Road safety, road सुरक्षा. So it is a national event. It is a national event. Students remember this. This is an event. Event माने कार्यक्रम. तो यह national जातीय event होते. Aimed माने से लक्ष्य करे. At raising public awareness. Raising माने वृद्धि करिबा. What to raise the public awareness. Public awareness माने जन सचेतनता. जन सचेतनता हमको वृद्धि करिबा तार लक्ष्य अटे about traffic rules and to reduce road accident. To reduce माने कम करिबा. Reduce माने कम करिबा road accident and help people save their lives as well as the lives of other people on the road. So to save the lives, save माने सुरक्षा करिबा, रक्षा करिबा as well as the life of निजर जीवन को रक्षा करिबा अन्य मानकर जीवन को मध्य रक्षा करा जाई पारिबो जदि हमें रोड सेफ्टी रूल्स को मानिबा. Though the government observes road safety weeks, many charitable organizations, non-government agencies and private firms across the country also organize and provide logistic support to the road safety week campaign. Though the government organize this road safety campaign program. Road safety weeks also it is organized by the national government. Many charitable organizations, other people also, other charitable organizations. Charitable means those who voluntarily works for people's welfare. They do this work. Non-government agencies, those who are non-government. NGOs, we call them NGOs. They also do work for people welfare. Agencies and private firms across the countries also organize and provide logistic support to the Road Safety Week campaign. The observes means celebration. Observes करा जाए. Who observes this? The government observes. And though the government observes, other organizations, they also support this for road safety campaign. That is, many charitable organizations. What are charitable organizations? माने जो माने help करती needy people को करती. Non-government agencies माने NGOs माने जो माने साहाଯ୍य करती विभिन्न लोक मानकर welfare पाई. Many private companies माने विभिन्न प्राइवेट कंपनी माने मध्य इथिरे काम करती. तो लॉजिस्टिक सपोर्ट. व्हाट इज लॉजिस्टिक माने से समर्थन भल भाव से सपोर्ट करती माने समर्थन करती फॉर द रोड सेफ्टी वीक कैंपेन. कैंपेन माने होची अभियान. कैंपेन माने होची अभियान कौन सी क्षेत्र रे कौन सी कार्यक्रम को बहुल भाव में लोकों पाखक पहुंचेबा ताको कहा जाए कैंपेन. Okay, look at here how the campaigning has taken place here, how the people are standing and the awareness program is going on. So look at here some road safety symbols. What you must have seen on the road, there are somehow on the road crossing or anywhere you can see all these kind of pictures, road safety symbols, stop, no entry, give way, no right turn, no overtaking, length limit, no parking, horn prohibited, no pedestrian. This kind of symbols you must have seen on the road. This kind of symbols are on the road. These are traffic symbols. These are called traffic road safety symbols. So this is traffic lights. 3 lights are here: red, yellow, and green. So next, the aim of this campaign हमें पढ़िले. campaign माने होची हमारा अभियान. campaign is to sensitize people. What is sensitize? Sensitize माने तांको सतर्कता करेबा, तांको स्पर्शकातर करेबा, तांको भल भाबरे मनर से माने हेतु हबो तांको भितरे बुझी पारिबे से माने. तो the aim of this campaign, aim माने होची लक्ष्य. aim माने होची हमारा लक्ष्य. एहार लक्ष्य कोन काहे की why we are observing this road safety week, and what is the aim of this campaign? That it is to sensitize people, ताको सतर्क करेबा, स्पर्शकातर करेबा, that to make them sensitive and aware that people about the outcome of drunken driving. They should be aware of the outcome. Outcome means result. Outcome means result of what kind of awareness they should know. They should know about what is the outcome, what is the danger of drunken driving. What is drunken driving? People after drinking alcohol, मद्यप अवस्था, मद्यपान करि सारिथिबा अवस्था रे ड्राइविंग कले कोन हुए. तापरे आसिला हमरा हाई स्पीड ड्राइविंग. हाई स्पीड माने बहुत स्पीड रे जने ड्राइव करिवो केंती हुए हमें जानिछु. बहुत स्पीड ड्राइव कले एक्सीडेंट हो. इट इज श्योर. So high speed driving and the importance of wearing a helmet. Look at here, people are helmet, wearing of helmet. Wearing mane pindiva helmet. Look how people, the bikers are wearing helmet here. So a helmet and a seat belt for 4-wheelers, 4-wheel drivers. 4-wheeler driver means the car driver, those who are driving 4-wheelers. They must wear seat belt. Look at this. This is the picture of seat belt. So they are instructed not to use cell phone or listen to music while driving. They must not use cell phone or listen to music while driving. Look at here. This is a picture how this person is picking a cell phone and riding a bike and getting there. 2 children are behind him. How dangerous it could be, you can imagine. So this is dangerous. So we must be aware about this and should be always make aware other people about this also. So drunken driving, मद्यप अवस्था, instruct माने तांको बता जिबा होता. They must be instructed. तांको बता जिबा कथा. They are instructed not to use cell phone. Cell phone माने mobile phone and or listen to music while driving. So what we read in paragraph 2. Road Safety Week is a national public awareness program for road safety. Along with government, many charitable organizations, non-government agencies also support to the road safety campaign. Government सहित अन्य ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मध्य एथिरे हमको सहयोग करंती ए अभियान. The aim of the campaign to sensitize people, लोक मान को सचेतन करिबा, सतर्क करिबा about the result of drunken driving. मद्यप अवस्था रे जो ड्राइविंग करा जे ता विपक्ष रे सचेतन करिबा. हाई स्पीड ड्राइविंग न करिबा. Importance of wearing helmet and seat belt. Okay, next come to the next paragraph, that is paragraph 3. Let's read paragraph 3. What is there in paragraph 3? Road Safety Week is organized every year in the month of January. When do we celebrate Road Safety Week? It is every year in the month of January. In the month of January. Who say organize this? Ki organize karta hai yaku? It is organized by the Ministry of Road Transport. Ministry of Road Transport. That is, here you can see a logo of Ministry of Road Transport. Here the Road Transport Minister, Central Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari, and the Highways of India, the Road Ministry, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India. It organized every year in the month of January the Road Safety Week. The week is celebrated with great interest. The week is celebrated with great interest. Interest माने आग्रह सहित यहाँ पालन करा जाए and enthusiasm. What is the meaning of enthusiasm? Enthusiasm माने strong feeling of excitement. कौतूहल सहित लोक माने यहाँ celebrate करी थांती. Every year it is also celebrated in every city of India. In big, more or less in every city of India it is celebrated. Like what cities are these? These are the major cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Baroda, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad and Chandigarh. Like this in other small cities also we celebrate Road Safety Week. In every institution also we celebrate Road Safety Week. Okay, next. People are encouraged about how to drive on road by organizing a variety of programs related to the road safety. Who are encouraged about this? People are encouraged. लोको मानों को encourage करा जाए. What is the meaning of encourage? तांको उत्साहित करा जाए. Give hope or courage to do something. तांको courage करा, तांको उत्साहित करा जाए. तांको courage दिया जाए. जे नहीं आमे এই সচেতনতা প্রোগ্রাম রে ভাগ নেবা, এই সচেতনতা কার্যক্রমটি করিবা, এটা বহুত এসেনশিয়াল, ইট ইজ ভেরি নেসেসারি. সো ড্রাইভ অন রোড বাই অর্গানাইজিং এ ভ্যারাইটি অফ প্রোগ্রামস. মানে এটি ডিউরিং দ্য অবজারভেশন ভ্যারাইটিস অফ প্রোগ্রামস আর অর্গানাইজড রিলেটেড টু রোড সেফটি. রিলেটেড টু রোড সেফটি, সড়ক সুরক্ষা বিষয়ে বিভিন্ন প্রোগ্রাম আয়োজন করা যায় ডিউরিং দ্য হোল উইক. কারণ এইটা হচ্ছে রোড সেফটি উইক মানে সপ্তাহ, গোটে সপ্তাহ ধরি এহাকে সম্পূর্ণ ভাবে পালন করা যাইଥାଏ. তো in the whole week of this campaign a variety মানে অনেক গুড়ে variety of educational banners. educational মানে শিক্ষণীয় banners, তার এই ভলিয়া ব্যানর সবু করা যায়. रोड सेफ्टी पोस्टर लोक माने एमती रास्ता रे ताको शो करा जाए. सेफ्टी फिल्म्स, पॉकेट गाइड्स, सेफ्टी फिल्म्स आर शोन इन टीवी एंड अदर सोशल मीडियास आल्सो. एंड पॉकेट गाइड माने पैम्फलेट देथिबे जोटा को हमें पॉकेट रे कैरी करि परिबा. एंड लिफलेट्स माने कागज जो छोटो कागज थाइबो सेहितिर मते रोड सेफ्टी रो रूल सब लेखा हितिबो. सेही भलिया जिंस गुडा को दिस काइंड ऑफ लिफलेट्स आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड माने ताको दिया जाए लोक मानू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट वितरण करा जाए ऑन द रोड ट्रावेलर्स समस्त को दिया जाए. दिस काइंड ऑफ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स आर टेकन प्लेस थ्रू आउट द वीक. So in cities efforts are made to raise public awareness. Now come in cities public awareness. Now once again the awareness word come here. efforts माने ताको प्रचेष्टा करा जाए, चेष्टा करा जाए आर मेड टू रेज पब्लिक अवेयरनेस अबाउट ट्रैफिक रूल. कोन विषय रे ताको सचेतन करा जाए, अवेयरनेस करा जाए अबाउट ट्रैफिक रूल्स एंड साइंस माने जो सिंबल हमें देखिले से साइन गुडा को चिन्हवा आवश्यक. एंड कॉशन्स व्हिच शुड बी टेकन. कॉशन माने हमें प्रिकॉशन देबा, हमें निजको रक्षा करेबा, सतर्कता अवलंबन करिबा. कॉशन व्हिच शुड बी टेकन जहाँ हमें फॉलो करिबा करिथा टेकन व्हाइल ऑन रोड रे थिबा बेले निश्चित भावे हमें याको फॉलो करिबा बहुत जरूरी अटे. many schools and colleges voluntarily स्वच्छाकृत भाव willingly निजे चाहिए आमे माने स्कूल कॉलेजेस रो स्टूडेंट्स मध्ये एथि पार्टिसिपेट करंती टेक पार्ट इन दिस कैंपेन ए अभियान रे समाने अंशग्रहण करंती सो द लोकल अथॉरिटीज लोकल जो अथॉरिटीज थांती हमरो जो लोकल अथॉरिटीज माने जो एरिया जो शहर रो जो कार्यकर्ता थिबे दैट इज लोकल अथॉरिटीज आल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज दे आल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज ए कार्यक्रम समाने करिथांती थ्रू thorough checkups of drivers thorough checkup what is the meaning of thorough checkup thorough से माने ड्राइवर मान को चेकअप करा जाए जैसे माने ड्रंकन की नहंती से माने फिट की नहंती ड्राइवर्स एंड मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट मान कर मध्य सेटा चेकअप करा जाए टू सेंड ए स्ट्रांग मेसेज व्हाई दिस चेकअप इज गोइंग ऑन दिस इज फॉर जीरो टॉलरेंस दिस इज द मेसेज स्ट्रांग मेसेज माने लोगों का उद्देश्य रे यह किछि ज्ञापन करे किछि लोगों को बताए नियम बताए तांको कही थाए अबाउट जीरो टॉलरेंस अगेंस्ट ड्रंकन ड्राइविंग जीरो टॉलरेंस व्हाट इज जीरो टॉलरेंस जीरो माने जीरो टॉलरेंस माने सह्य करिबा किंतु आमे सहिबा नहीं जीरो टॉलरेंस बिल्कुल सहिबा नहीं जीरो टॉलरेंस अगेंस्ट ड्रंकन ड्राइविंग अगेंस्ट विपक्ष रे कार विपक्ष रे अबाउट ड्रंकन ड्राइविंग those जो मैंने मद पी के ड्राइविंग करते हैं तार अगेंस्ट दिस इज ए स्ट्रांग मेसेज अगेंस्ट drunken driving and safety violation other safety violation if anybody is violating what is violation mean नियम भंग करिबा breaking of law को भांगिबा नियम न मानिबा ट्रैफिक रूल्स किछि न मानिबा एहा को मध्य ता स्ट्रांग मेसेज करे जे ताहा मानि पारिबो तमे violation करि पारिबो नै नियम भंग करि पारिबो नै cannot violate any road safety rules. So where there are so many traffic symbols, traffic lights, rules, and traffic police are also there to protect all these road safety rules. Commuters are explained about traffic rules. Commuters. Who are commuters? Mean daily travelers. जो माने जानती रास्ता रे जो माने जाउछंती communicate करूछंती that commuters are explained तांको बता जाए तांको सिखा जाए बता जाए अबाउट ट्रैफिक रूल्स एंड साइंस माने चिन्ह साइंस माने हला रूल्स माने नियम साइंस माने हला चिन्ह as well as the cautions they should take on road what kind of सतर्कता caution माने सतर्कता से माने अवलंबन करिवे they should take on the road and various painting drawing competition you know you must have done this type of you must participated in this kind of competition during road safety week these are for awareness road safety announcement exhibition माने कोन प्रदर्शनी लगा जाए टेस्ट ऑफ रोड रूल्स रो टेस्ट राइड देखा जाए लोगों को सचेतनता प्रोग्राम रे सेटा बता जाए सेमिनार्स माने ता विषय रे आलोचना चक्र करा जाय था सेमिनार्स करा जाय था वर्कशॉप माने कार्यक्रम करा जाय था एंड अदर रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड माने related to road safety other kind of activities are also organized free medical checkup camps another thing is free medical checkup camps and driving training workshops are also organized for the drivers तो ड्राइवर मान को पई कैंप्स ऑर्गेनाइज करा जाए ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप माने कार्यक्रम करा जाए ओके स्टूडेंट्स सो what we learn in paragraph 3 road safety week is organized every year in the month of January it is organized by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India it is celebrated in all major cities of India in the campaign people shows banners posters safety films people distribute pocket guides and leaflets many schools colleges take part in the campaign school college माने भी अभियान रे भाग नियंती जीरो टॉलरेंस दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट सह्य करा जीवो नाही जीरो टॉलरेंस अगेंस्ट ड्रंकेन ड्राइविंग मद्यप अवस्था रे मद्यपान जनित कोनोसी ड्राइविंग को सह्य करा जीवो नाही सो मेनी competitions exhibitions debates and seminars are organized during this road safety campaign okay so all this we read in paragraph 3 all about today. So come to the next slide. So you must have understood the lesson. Now let's check your MCQs, what you understand, multiple questions here. So students, ready with your microphone and start, ready to start give answer. Okay, let's start. Everyone, number one, everyone needs to be aware of that to avoid the risk of injury and death. There are 4 options: road traffic signs, B, road traffic rules, road traffic lights, D, road traffic signals. Yes, high school, raise your hands, pick up your microphone, give your answer. First number, everyone needs to be aware of their
traffic rules. Road traffic rules. Road traffic rules.
Yes, yes, very good. So, everyone needs to be aware of road traffic rules to avoid the risk of injury and death. Okay, come to the next number. Road safety is very dash. A,
Important.
okay.
Important.
Very good, very good. Important, is it right? Anybody else can give answer, the proper answer? Important is also right, but actual answer, the right answer, what it could be? Give the answer. Guess high school. Junior high school. Give the answer.
Necessary.
Very good. Guess high school
Necessary.
is given answer. Yes, good, good. Necessary. Road safety is very necessary. Road safety is very necessary. Okay. Very good. Number 3. Road safety methods must be followed by dash. Harihar High School. Passenger, cyclist, pedestrian, everyone. Everyone, yes, very good. Everyone. It is right. Everyone. Road safety methods must be followed by everyone. Very good. Very good. Sit down. Come to number 4. According to the WHO, dash is the leading cause of road accident. Violation of traffic rules, disobeying of road safety rules, lack of awareness, lack of interest.
Option C, lack of awareness. Option C, lack of awareness.
Yes, yes. Good, good.
Awareness.
Lack of, you are telling right. Very good. Lack of awareness. Lack of awareness. Okay. Next question. Road Safety Week is organized in the month of dash every year. Ujjalpur
January. January.
You sit down. Ujjalpur
January.
Good student, you have already given answer. Ujjalpur Girls High School. Try to give
January.
answer. Very good.
January.
Yes, yes. January. So Road Safety Week is organized in the month of January every year. Number 6. Road Safety Week is a dash event. Cultural, national, state level, local. Give answer.
National.
Yes.
Option B.
Very good, very good. National
Road
event.
Safety Week is national. Option B.
Good, 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 good. Road Safety Week is a national event. Very good. Take your seat. Number 7. Road Safety Week is organized by dash. Who can tell? Only you. Next. Road Safety Week is organized by
Ministry of Education.
yes, Ministry of Road
Option B.
Transport.
Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India.
Yes, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India. Road Safety Week is organized by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India. Very good. Okay, come to number 8. Road Safety Week is one of the dash program for road safety. Murlidhar Memorial School.
Awareness.
Murlidhar School.
Awareness.
Road Safety Week is one of the DAX program for road safety. Be quick, please give answer. Mullidhar School. Vyasadeva
Awareness.
School. Very good. Awareness. Good. Awareness. Number 9. Who observes Road Safety Week? Government and non-government agency, private firms, charitable organization, all of the above. Vyasdev High School. Once more, give answer.
All of the
Good.
above.
All of the above. Very good, sir. Very good. All of the above. Okay, number 10. During Road Safety Week, campaign-free medical checkup camps are organized for decks. Number 8. Passengers, conductors, drivers, cleaners.
Drivers.
Driver, good. Driver. Driver is the right answer. Very good. Very good, student. During Road Safety Week campaign, free medical checkup camps are organized for drivers. Okay. Thank you, students. You smartly given all the answers. All questions. Now, answer the following questions. Now, once again, pick up your microphone and try to give answer. So, what is road safety? Madan Mohan High School. What is road safety? Give short answer. What is road safety?
Hello.
Yes. Try to give answer. Madan Mohan High School.
Hello.
Vyasdev High School. What is road safety? Very easy answer. Why do we observe road safety? What is road safety? Nobody? Any other school? Vyasdev High School, try to give answer. What is road safety?
Road safety is a paramount importance as it greatly affects people's lives whether they know it or not.
Yes, it's dealing with people's lives. It is a awareness program for for safety of people's lives. Okay, very good, student. What is your name? What's your name? Okay. So, road safety is the safety of people from roadside injuries and death. Next question. What is important while driving a two-wheeler? What is important? Jirpani Government High School. What is important while driving a two-wheeler? What is important? कौन follow करिबा कथा two-wheeler चलेला बेले? Yes, Jirpani High School. Try to give answer. Very easy. जड़े two-wheeler चलेला बेले खूब.
Helmet.
Yes, helmet.
Helmet, seat belt.
Very good. What is important while driving a two-wheeler? So, this is the answer. Wearing helmet is important while driving a two-wheeler. What is your name, beta? What is your name? Who have given the answer now? What is your name? Jairam High School. Give your name. Tell your name. You can learn lesson.
Name is Janukulu.
Very good, student. Okay. So, next, what is the main cause of road accident on the road? What is the main cause? Gopabandhu High School. What is the main cause of road accident on the road? What is the main cause? काहे की road accident है? काहे की road accident है? What is the main cause of road accident on the road?
According to the World Health Organization, most of the hospitalizations case and leading cause of the.
Anybody else? Navajyoti High School. Try to give answer. What is the main cause of road accident? आजिकाली काहे की बेसी road accident होची कोण करूछंती लोक
Hospitalization.
No, hospitalization.
Hospitalization.
Driving.
Yes, you tell Navajyoti High School. Yes, once more.
Drunken driving.
Drunken
Drunken driving.
Yes, yes. Drunken driving. It is the right answer. Drunken driving is the main cause of road accidents. Okay, next question, number 4. What is important while driving a four-wheeler? Rashtriya Girls High School. What is important while driving a
belt.
four-wheeler? Seat belt. Very good.
Seat belt.
Seat belt. Seat belt. Very good. Very good, student. Wearing a seat belt is important while driving a four-wheeler. Okay. Next, come to number 5. When is the Road Safety Week organized in India? Very easy question. When is Road Safety Week organized in India?
January.
January. Can you give the full sentence answer?
The Road Safety Week is organized every year in the month of January.
Very good. Very good. Very good. The road safety, every year in the month of January, the Road Safety Week is organized. Thank you, students. You have given very smartly the answers. Very perfectly you also given the answer. All of you try to give answer when questions are asked. So, it is all about today. These are some of the homeworks for you. These are some of the homeworks for you. So, write down, take note of these 2 questions. Write how Road Safety Week is celebrated and organized in India. Next, number 2, write a report on a road accident you have witnessed. Report writing, you must have learned report writing, and write all these question answers in your notebook and show to your subject teacher. So, this is all about today. So, hope you have enjoyed the class, today's class, and you have all given smartly the answer. Thank you for that, and see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.